Hello there, beautiful people out there. Welcome to my new office. Come on in. Come hither. So, this is my updated office tour. Oh my gosh, like, y'all don't understand how long I've been wanting my own office space. I mean, I've had one, but like, just looking like this, and oh, I just love it. It's not 100% completed, but it's what I wanted. I didn't want it to look too cluttered with too many things or too many pictures and all that. So I just love how it looks, and it's like my dream office. So let's go around, shall we? This is like my beauty side, so I'll be doing like my beauty tutorials and hair tutorials over here and all that good stuff. So here I have my jewelry case that my mom got me for Christmas one year. On the door sides, these are my necklaces, and then right here is all my earrings and bracelets and all of that. And then I have this lamp here because, as you can see, we don't have a light on the ceiling, so we have to use a plug-in light. And I'm also going to spray paint it sometime soon. I haven't gotten a chance to get to it. So as you come over here, this is my vanity set. This was in our room, but I wanted it in my office because, like I said, when I do my beauty and hair tutorials and all that, I wanted to be here to look more, you know, more, I don't know. I have this small acrylic brush and makeup set. So I have all my brushes right here, my foundations that I use and all that, and I just love it. I have a few shades here, including my cool YouTube shades that I got. What up? These are my Mary Jane stickers. So these are like my goals, my affirmations that, you know, when I look in the mirror, I say these to myself because I feel that the power of speaking things into existence is very important. And I have my good old calendar for Mary Kay because I need to remember the date. I have this here mirror that my in-laws got for me. Thank you so much. And so on one side it's like really close, and on the other side it's just like a regular size, and it also lights up around here, so that's pretty cool. And then here I have this nice mirror. As you can see, I love mirrors, so it just makes sure my hair looks good and all that. I got this rug here from Burlington Coat Factory, but I saw a really cute one that I want from TJ Maxx because I want the carpet to fill the whole floor. So hopefully I can get that soon. And I would love for it to fill up this whole space in the middle, so that's in the works hopefully. But for the time being, I love this little rug right here, and I think it's just so cute. So on this side of the office, this is my business side. So as you can see here, I have a bookshelf, but no books. No, so I do have books. They're all at the bottom. So I've always wanted a bookshelf to put like decorations in and all of that. So when we saw this at Ikea, which we got from Ikea, I'll leave everything linked down below if you're interested. But we saw this at Ikea. I just knew it was perfect to put like some cute decorations. I got my C up there for my name, and then I have a family photo of me and my family because you guys know I love my family to death. And then in here I created this little flower pot. It's fake flowers. I got these flowers from Dollar Tree, and then I got this bowl from Dollar Tree as well, and I spray painted it gold. And then this here it pretty much describes me. Be silly, be honest, be kind. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. I also got this basket from Hobby Lobby as well. And everything I got from Hobby Lobby was on sale. Anything in there yet because I really don't know what to put there yet. And down here I have some of my favorite books from like Bishop Jakes, Joel Osteen, Joyce Myers and all that, and some of my journals from back in the day. So over here I have my lamp. It was actually brown, but I spray painted it gold to kind of fit in with everything. This necklace rack here, and I just wanted it for decorations. And you guys know that I'm an AKA, and you know AKAs love their pearls, so I just put some pearls on top of there. And I have this candle here from Bath and Body Works. This is vanilla. This is the vanilla spice pear, and I love the smell, but also another thing that I loved about it was that the top was marble. That's what I love. So the bookshelf, the desk, and the additional part down here, all of this is from Ikea, and also the chairs from Ikea. If you guys are following my vlogging channel, then you guys know that we went to Ikea to look for some furniture, and my husband was so nice enough to get all this for me. Here I have my iMac. This is the iMac, the 21.5, the basic one. And here I have some notepads with a little cute design. I have to write everything down because the way my brain cells are set up right now. Yeah, so I have my laptop here. I usually edit my main channel and my Mommy and Maddie videos on this computer, and I usually edit my vlogging stuff or long videos because this holds a lot more space than my laptop. But I love having my products on deck. This is one of my favorite cases. Right here is a marble case. My mother-in-law got that for me for Christmas last year. And then I have here this good old folder rack, so I keep everything in order. So I have like receipts for my business and all of that, open opportunities, doctor's papers, work, church related and everything. And I just love these folders. I love the polka dot folders because I feel like it goes with the theme that I was looking for, and they're on sale too at Hobby Lobby. Also in the package, along with the polka dots, it came with stripe folders. So I just love that gold fold. Like the gold fold is what I love the most. Then I have my planner slash agenda where I write down all my goals and any appointments that I have, you know, that I have to make or whatever. I write everything in here to keep myself on point and to keep myself, you know, on top of my appointments and everything. And I also write down my to-do list. I write down my appointments and stuff in here. Then I write down my to-do list in this notebook. And as you guys can see, I have an obsession with marbles. So, and then I have my calendar here where I write down everything. So when I look to this wall, I can see, oh, okay, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do this. So as you can see, I have my canvases up here. Yes, this girl runs on cupcakes and Jesus. Hallelujah. This was one of my favorite Bible verses, and this is our Palm from Palm Sunday. So I just love my canvases. I got these two from Hobby Lobby and these two from Burlington Coat Factory. I got this C here from Hobby Lobby, and of course my YouTube thing because
I'm ready
YouTube
for the deal.
Over here I have a little basket that, you know, I put like papers that I have to sign and all that, just to make sure I remember to do it. And then here some more flowers and a candle. And then here is the additional drawer space for other things that I need to put in drawers. So I have like my scissors and all that in here, some extra paper, and then down here is where I keep like all of Maddie's schoolwork and any like of her church work and everything. I keep that in here. And then other than that, I have this good
Mommy's new chair!
Mommy's new chair, yes! So, aw. Yep, so this is my office, and I'm sure you guys noticed, but I have my studio lights up. So I have two umbrella lights, and then I have a ring light.
Umbrella light?
Yeah, that's what they're called. So I have my two lights for when I do my videos and all that, because the lighting in our house is not the best, so I need to make do with, I have to make sure I have lighting in my house. So other than that, you guys, this is what I've been wanting for a while, and I just thank my husband for just supporting me and, you know, keeping me patient until he was able to do it for me. So I'm so excited. When we move into a bigger house and I get a bigger office, I'll put more things if need be, but other than that, I love the way it is. So if you guys love it, give me a big thumbs up and let me know down below what was your favorite. And if you like to see other home improvement things, let me know down below as well. So thank you all so much for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you in another video. Bye.